Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Hak jingra khe ye kalang khu ski lai lot ka ba nyu phun rius nem jongkeri India ka sarkar Meghalaya lengba ka tna tourism manda ka singi ka lapan bana ye ka dor ba shnong Nongrim Hills kum ka nong job ne ka lahduh hak Jingpynitynnad ye ka shnong ka thau ne ka locality beautification and enhancement competition nalor jong ka maulai ka balwan baar bat ka jil road ka balwan balai Kumba Jule nadu kisnem ke ba menshwa ka dor ba shnong Nongrim Hills ru rangkat bat kari baro akaway ka larak he ka ni ka silai lot kari ba ka papunher ya ka lama kari haka ni ka singi la plate ya ka lama na way na kirut men jong ka shnong ushri TR Biswas Reta DSP Meghalaya Police haka jingadon lang jong kinong kit kam shnong nadu kirang ba kilongme bat ki para nong shong shnong haka ni ka singi la yo ru ya ka jingkran ngot now Dr. Jamino Mauto ex-MLA obadei ru udkot jong ka dor ba shnong kumjo ru na orang ba shnong ba bantelinari.
And all the residents who are present here today. At the outset, I would like to express my appreciation to the Dorbar Shnong Nongrim Hills because this is not the only year that the Dorbar Nongrim Hills celebrates the Independence Day. In fact, Dorbar Nongrim Hills has led the way right from the beginning to celebrate for many years now, to celebrate this Independence Day. And I'm glad that the residents of Nongrim Hills also has participated proactively, effectively in the celebration of the Independence Day almost every year. It has been quite a journey for the nation and also for the people of the state. 75 years is quite a journey. We have progress in many areas, but there is also a downslide in some areas also. But I take this opportunity to exhort the people of this locality and also the people of the state that we need to make efforts to do a little bit more, whatever we can do as individuals, as a community, as groups, as organizations for the nation building of this country. Just the other day I was asking a group of young people, I said, you are citizens of the state, you are citizens of this country, and you are also citizens of this world. And when I put this question to them, I said, in order of priority, I said, which one do you choose first? I told them to raise their hand. And surprisingly, all the young people, when I asked them, they said that we are citizens of the state. Almost all of them raised their hands. Few of them, only two of them in fact raised their hands that they are global citizens. To educate, to motivate and to sensitize our young people, and citizens of the state also, that we are also part of nation building. We are also part of this great country, and we also need to contribute positively to the progress and development of this great nation. But first of all, we need to start, from the locality. We need to start from ourselves. And I'm glad today, yesterday when the Rah Ka Nongrim called me, and then when I saw in the WhatsApp that Dorbar Shnong Nongrim Hills also has been awarded as one of the localities as far as the beautification is concerned. So I think we need to appreciate the efforts of the Rah Ka Nongrim and all the executive members. So let us give a round of applause to the Rah Ka Nongrim, the executive members and all the residents of this locality for making effort as far as the beautification of this locality is concerned. So let us continue to work and strive harder to bring about, peace and prosperity, starting from this locality, and let it also be a reflection, because Nongrim Hills has led the way, and Nongrim Hills has shown that they're able to do a lot of things, in the locality. And other Darbars also, I can understand they're following suit what the Darbar Shnong Nongrim Hills has been doing. And before I end, I would like to just say this, that whatever the problems, whatever the challenges that we face during these difficult times, hard times, I think we need to have a positive mind and let us move forward, together, collectively, as individuals, as a group, as a Darbar, and collectively, we will move forward to make this locality a better locality, a better place, and let it also be a reflection, for other localities also to follow the good example which Darbar Nongrim Hills has shown. So with these few words, I would like to wish each and every one of you once again a happy Independence Day. So with these few words, thank you once again, and God bless you all. Thank you.
I play Independence Day. Kaban nyo pusan kasinam kaban nyo pusan. Ya pi baro kinong shnong. Ya kajingdan mentala ka jongpi. But nga snowru songmen maniadan ba kamdei tang kasinam kabanikong rela bun kasinam kanilale. But kanihi kapeti kabensim jong gajing yadon bentala ni gajing snow. Long try shnong ni gajing long try jong ya kani dia pa it away. But ngakim tu bat ngayon werang ba kung hangin kasing kababiang kabangan kim tu ipi man mix sekmat penitray lang ki benta nakabenta panuan ra ya kabahag niya but karoy kakiyo jong ariba kachat benrio kumala kren dari ba jamino mentad nismo bahag niya tu baka Darbar Nongrim Hills we have achieved. The winner has been declared the winner for the beautification competition which was recently held. And the government of Meghalaya through the tourism department has sanctioned us the money, the fund of 15,31,000, and for which we have utilized judiciously and honestly. And now if we are adjudged the winner, we are going to get some more fund to the Darbar Shnong. I think it's not less than 5 lakhs. So thank you all, mostly the members of the Darbar Shnong who are a team which we have really built and to win this competition. It's not a one-man show to achieve all these tasks, to achieve all these heights and greatness. It is a team which is there, not only the Darbar Shnong. So thanks once again to the Darbar Shnong Executive Committee for being part, and mostly the COVID team, which we have led for these 2 years back, which we have missed these 2 programs. During this time of crisis, this time of emergencies, we have seen that the COVID management team of the Darbar Nongrim Hills was well applauded and well praised by the district administration and the government of Meghalaya. It is this COVID management team which has presented the government before the COVID reached the state. We have presented an action plan to the government of Meghalaya how to tackle COVID, and we are fortunate enough that when the COVID reached this state, and it so happened in this locality, we were well prepared mentally. If not physically, but mentally, we have prepared. We are ready to accept the challenge, and that challenge has brought success, where the government, for any suggestion on management of this COVID, I'm always there to give them a suggestion. I feel privileged, I feel honored to be the Darbar Shnong of Nongrim Hills.